Hey everybody, Bill from Mnpctech. One of the most popular questions I've been getting about our 90-degree 24-pin motherboard connectors for hiding your cables behind your motherboard is if you can connect two of them together to create a 180-degree connection. And yes, you can. You can do that, and that way it allows you, if you've got the space, to route your 24-pin out of sight from the front of your motherboard.
So combining them, you have a stealth look, hiding your connector behind the motherboard. Or if you do have a custom connector and you still want to show it off, just go with a single 90-degree 24-pin motherboard connector from Mnpctech, and you can do that as well. So thanks everybody for watching and supporting MNPCtech.com. We've got a handful of these left. Once they sell out, we'll get more made. So just keep checking back.